Good morning, sunshine. It's pretty early today. My husband left and I couldn't go back to sleep and I had to pee. So we are going to be doing an OPK test right now. So today is cycle day 9. So yay. Yeah. I'll talk about that later. Bye. Good morning, sunshines. Today is cycle day 10 and we're going to be doing our live OPK, well, my live OPK test today. So yeah, hopefully I see a blinky something, I don't know, but let's get done. Let's get to it.
Guys, it's blinking. Okay, honey. Okay. Have to do your hair. So we are in our high peak fertility. Oh my gosh, it's blinking, guys. It's blinking. Oh man. Oh, we got a blinky face. So these 3 days were this guy, and then the 4th day we got blinking. So hopefully we get a solid in the next 2 days. I'll see you guys later. Blinking! Yay!
Good morning, guys. It's like literally like it's 5:30. My husband woke me up, and can't go back to sleep, and I had to pee. It's time for OPK test. My wrist is hurting, so I'm gonna get it ready and then I'll be back. I forgot to vlog my LPK today because I was like getting so bored with them. And the day I don't vlog it, do you guys see that? It's flipping there. Oh my gosh, guys. So it's there. I'm so excited. Like I wasn't having faith in these things because cycle day 10 it was blinking. Cycle day 11 it blinked. I think yesterday was cycle day 12. Today's cycle day 14, I think. I'm not sure. So I wasn't sure, but there. It's there, guys. Oh my god. So, yeah. So I'm just gonna add that in with the other one.